Established in 2006, Kemt is a famous core solution supplier of high precision, high rigidity, and high cost performance numerical control, CNC machine tool manufacturing, and other manufacturing industry. As a new emerging star in high-quality numerical control machine tool industry, Kemt introduces world-advanced manufacturing technology, bringing quality, reliable, and excellent numerical control machine tool and service. Keeping pace with Chinese development, Kemt has also improved its business to serve the fast-growing Chinese market. To provide quality products and immediate and considerate service, Kemt invests to build Changzhou Kemt Numerical Control CNC Technology Company Limited in Changzhou, Wujing Economic Development Zone in March 2010. Since the beginning of its founding, Kemt has been committed to realize excellent resource management. Equipped with advanced machine tool, standard and concise management, continuously improved in training and progress, upholding the concept of quality changes future, service makes dream. Kemt cooperates with machine tools manufacturer in Germany and Japan to make contribution to the stable development of China's manufacturing industry. Now, Kemt owns the production lines of small and medium-sized precision gun-type lathes, turret CNC lathes, drilling and milling machining centers, and assembly lines of vertical machining centers. Besides, it constantly develops new products to provide the optimal production solution. In combination of parts processing and automation for different customers in different areas of application needs, Kemt provides strong support with its own professional skills for customers in the fields of automobile and motorcycle, aerospace, electronics, medical devices, pneumatic hydraulic, communication engineering, military industry, and instrumentation, die-casting industry, and 3C products. For Kemt, quality exceeds everything. The company strictly follows the requirement of ISO 9001 quality management system. The machine tool's quality is ensured by good performance manufacturing and processing equipment, high precision test and inspection equipment, constant temperature and humidity workshops, and meticulous quality improvement measures. Besides, we have carried out strict quality control on raw material and imported precision parts during the process, which could be sent onto the production line after professional test. We produce 2,000 numerical control machine tools of all kinds each year and deliver on time, ensuring customers benefit in the shortest time. Kemt machine tools are featured with excellent quality, precision, and outstanding reliability. High quality is the key factor of keeping competitiveness, and high quality lies in possessing advanced management and technology. Kemt cooperates with world first-class machine tool manufacturers. It is committed to process improvement and product development according to customers' demand. At the same time, Kemt actively cooperated with universities, research and development institutions, and international famous enterprises to cultivate its own core competitiveness featured as independent intellectual property. Unique technology research and development brings products with higher cost of performance and more reliable quality. Professional, excellent, and skilled technology team supplies technology support in an all-around way. Turnkey project is a customized technology support mode, solving all problems in metal working and processing technology. Customers can discuss and exchange views with engineers of Kemt according to the practical process and requirements, which can inspire them with reasonable and professional suggestions and formulate high efficiency and reliable solutions. Precision inspecting and adjusting machine tools to ensure customers' operation benefit to the maximum and improve production precision and efficiency. As early as 2007, Kemt sets up after-sales service centers and training centers to provide all kinds of before and after-sales and technology support service. After-sales maintenance service mainly includes phone call technology support, on-site training support, and so on. Centered at Shanghai, Beijing, Shenzhen, and Chongqing, many technology service institutes have been built to enable technology application engineers and service engineers to serve customers faster and solve any problem in a high efficiency with low cost of process. The system of after-sales return visit and star ranking service has completely improved the service grade and standard, as well as strengthened the timeliness and forward-looking of customer service. In 2011, Kemt officially started long-term customer return visit plan in China 5 regions to replace worn parts and consumable parts for free. More advanced technology and more considerate service win reputation from customers, also win potential customers for Kemt. Customer-based and market-oriented development mode plays a decisive role in Kemt's long-term development strategy. Kemt is willing to join hands with customers to make common progress. In the future, Kemt will provide more high-quality products and more considerate services. Here gathering a group of machine tool workers with dreams in China, Kemt is willing to make common efforts with the leads with dream to realize the rejuvenation of China's machine tool industry. Kemt is willing to create a brilliant future with you.